Students, today our topic is Newton's first law of motion. I hope you have some idea about the inertia. Inertia means inability of an object to change its state of rest or uniform motion. And Newton's first law is also related to this. That's why its other name is law of inertia. So, in Newton's first law, how we can explain this law? According to Newton's first law, every object in the universe continues to be in the state of rest or uniform motion until unless external unbalanced force is applied. What does it mean? It means if an object is at rest, it will remain at rest for so many years, for infinite years, until unless any force is applied. Similarly, if an object has uniform motion means object is maybe under the effect of balanced forces, or maybe some force is not being acted. So if an object is at uniform motion, it will remain throughout the life in uniform motion only. So this is the Newton's first law of motion. Generally, we observe in the earth that object which is moving with the uniform motion gets stopped. But what is the reason behind this? If we kick a football, after some time it has to stop. What is the reason? Because so many other forces are being acted, like the force of friction, like the force of gravity, air resistance, etc. So try to understand, if same football is kicked in the universe, or you can say in the space, then no forces are available there. So if we kick the football, it will remain for infinite year in the form of uniform motion. So try to understand this thing. So let us discuss some application based on the Newton's first law of motion. Application is, if a bus starts suddenly, then what happens? The passengers who are inside the bus, they tend to fall backward. Why they tend to fall backward? Actually, the lower part, suppose this is the passenger, and if bus starts suddenly, the lower part of this passenger will move with the bus itself, but the upper part tend to remain at rest. That's why what will happen? This part move forward and this part tend to remain as it is. So the person feel a jerk at the backward direction. Okay. Similarly, what happens? If bus is moving very fast and suddenly brakes are applied, we fall forward. What is the reason behind this? The reason is again, the lower part of the human body will get stopped with the bus, but the upper part tend to remain in motion. That's why what happens? Lower part remains stationary and upper part tend to remain in uniform motion or in motion. So the passenger tend to fall forward. These are the two applications of the Newton's first law of motion. There are so many other applications. You read the NCERT, you get to know that other applications are also related to the Newton's first law of motion. Thank you very much.